materials I will need are a cardboard box like this, which we will not need and are going to throw it, some paint and some glue. And we will also need some decorative materials like this for the radio buttons. So let us start. With this cardboard box, fold the side edges and glue it here so that both the edges are stuck. Next, we are going to paint it with red. I have painted it with red. You can use any color you like. Then we are going to stick the radio buttons. So, like this, you can stick 3 or 4 buttons like this to make the radio buttons. You can, when you are playing with your Barbie, you can use this radio for her to listen her favorite songs. Thank you for watching my video.